We offer a full range of services in the Minnetonka area, such as drug cleanups, biohazards related to maybe a suicide, a trauma, or some sort of death. We also offer our hoarding services. And in the past year, we have helped several of our clients in the Minnetonka area with death-related services and hoarding. So the process starts when the customer calls our office. We'll gather the information that they have at that time. We'll schedule a time to meet them on the job site so that we can see what type of scope of work would be involved. If needed, we'll help them file an insurance claim. But often we try to be on the job site within 24 hours, sometimes a little sooner depending on what the job calls for. The consequences for not hiring a professional can lead to improper work being done. Unfortunately, it's pretty easy to call yourself a biohazard professional, and a lot of those companies that do are doing fire and water restoration services and not specializing in biohazards. Scene Clean, we specialize in biohazard cleanup. All of our staff is full-time. They all hold third-party certifications. And so when we like to think when you call Scene Clean, you are working with the best.